So good afternoon. My name is Kampanat, and I'm from International Kingdom. And it was a good journey here to be back here again in Cambridge. For me, Cambridge is a good city to explore, like National Botanical and then the Social Center. From the course Cambridge Leadership Program, it was very useful and usable in the near future. This is, I would say, this is an unforgettable journey that I have met many new friends here, and both Thais and Indonesians and Malaysians, and it was very good that we can do group activities together. We have lunch, we have dinner together, we explore the city together, and yes, thank you so much, International Kingdom.